Welcome to this comprehensive review of the Needles website, where we'll be diving deep into what this platform has to offer for accounting professionals. Whether you're new to Needles or considering switching to it, this video will provide you with a clear picture of its capabilities. First, let's start with the homepage. When you land on the Needles website, you're immediately greeted by a clean and professional design. The layout is simple yet effective, focusing on user-friendliness. The navigation bar is intuitive, offering easy access to all major sections like features, pricing, support, and resources. As we move through the site, the first thing that stands out is the clear emphasis on the accounting tools. Needles offers a suite of solutions specifically tailored to accountants, making it easy to manage financial records, create reports, and perform calculations. The dashboard is designed to be highly customizable, so users can adjust it according to their needs. One of the standout features of Needles is its integration capabilities. The website highlights its ability to integrate with other popular software, such as QuickBooks and various banking systems. This allows users to streamline their workflow and reduce the need for manual data entry. Many users appreciate how Needles handles data security, with features like two-factor authentication and encrypted connections, ensuring sensitive financial data remains protected. As you explore the site further, you'll notice that Needles offers a range of educational resources, including tutorials, blog posts, and webinars, aimed at helping users maximize the platform's potential. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. The pricing page of Needles is also very transparent, providing clear breakdowns of the different plans available. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, its wide range of features and the level of customization it offers can justify the cost for many businesses. In terms of customer support, Needles provides various options, including live chat, email support, and an extensive knowledge base. This makes it easy for users to get help whenever needed, whether they're facing technical issues or need assistance navigating the platform. Overall, Needles is a robust and feature-rich platform for accounting professionals. While it might take a bit of time to fully get familiar with all the tools, its customizable interface, strong integration options, and excellent security features make it a strong contender in the world of accounting software. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to stay updated with more honest reviews like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.